Brian DeBatis from Starline here. I want to take a couple minutes and show you some quick and easy ways to get ideas out to your customers. I'm on Starline.com and I'm going to work on a project where I'm going to suggest some vacuum drinkware. So on any product category page or any individual product page, there's a button that says Add to Idea Board. The idea board is basically a shopping cart that follows you around the website and collects your ideas so that you can run actions on a bunch of items all at once. So you see as I click Add to Idea Board, you have a check mark and some yellow blinking lights up here. That means it's working. So I'm going to add a couple of items to my idea board. Now I've not logged into the website, and this can be done across different product categories. Click on Open Idea Board to see what's been collected. And up here in the upper right hand corner, I can run some actions. One of the most important actions to run is check inventory. I can see the inventory position on all of these items all at one time. If one of these items doesn't meet my needs, I can simply exit out and remove it. And when I'm all done, just click OK and put that away. So now the next roadblock in suggesting products would be creating virtuals. You'd have to reach out to Starline, ask for virtuals to be created. Here we're going to eliminate that roadblock and click Upload Custom Artwork. For this, I can use a PNG file, a JPEG, an EPS, an Illustrator file, really anything that I have available. Vector would be best. I click Open, and Idea Board is going to create one virtual per item, per color, all on its own. And we can scroll through here and see all the other virtuals that have been created. You don't have the ability to go in here and move the logo around or change the size because this snaps to the standard maximum decoration area. So you should feel really good about these virtuals when you are suggesting them to your customers. I'm going to go ahead and click a couple items. To deliver them, I download. And what this will do is this will download a higher resolution PNG file that has a clear background. So I can integrate this into a PowerPoint presentation or any other presentation that I'm working on to show these to my customer. And if you have really good transparency with your customer and they kind of know exactly where the stuff comes from and they don't shop you, you can click Share Link. This will bring up a unique link. And when you click on it, it will open Starline's website with the idea board. And it includes the products that you suggested for them with a virtual and the ability to go get more information.